Okay, so here's what we need to replace. Let's see, get the part number. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's start by, got a 10 mil here. Loosen this. Ooh, holy, wow, that's on there tight. They were telling me it need to be tightened because there's quite a bit of play in it, and that's the reason getting replaced. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, that was on there good. Okay, it's loose enough. And this is a 6 millimeter. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I get myself in a better position. Here we go. Sorry about that. I'm trying to keep the camera in place. I'll have to remember to really put some force into this. Also, remember where, before we get too far, remember where that goes. I put down a little Sharpie marking, but it's kind of dirty. Hey, come on. Oh, gonna get pretty dirty. Nice. Keep that, remember that. Okay. Oh. Come on. That out completely. There we go. Okay. Wow. Now that's off. Nice. So this here is 11. I don't think I'll be able to. Let me see, how do I? Okay. Not doing that by hand. Oh boy. I'm forgetting something. Oh. Yes, I am. I'm gonna be over here. I'm going to need this. This will help. And I gotta remember orientation. Okay. See how well this will work. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. Yeah, it's coming off. Slowly but surely. Okay. I don't want to do too tight because I don't want to damage it. Oh, my hands are so filthy, and I shouldn't have put anything in my pocket. The stuff I need in my pockets. Okay. I'm gonna use a little bit of blue lock thread. Whether or not it needs it, the way that was tied on, probably not. Just a little bit. That's probably more than I should have, but won't hurt. Get it started. Okay, come on. Alright, I think that's tight enough. Take that with me. Oh, don't mind the mess. This is, yeah, don't, let's not get into that. That's a whole nother story. Okay. That's lined up. Okay. Before I do that, this has gotta go on. You know, remember your washers. Okay. In we go. You know what? I wasn't thinking I was gonna do it, but I thought, because I originally thinking it was gonna go into the frame, but it's not. So, also, what is this mess? Okay. Make sure to keep it clean. Some more blue lock, thread lock. I want to keep it relatively the same spot, and that's... How did I just get it all over my finger? Ugh. I'm clumsy, aren't I? Or messy, whatever it is. Getting on my finger. Lock thread. Get this on nice and tight. Get that off my hand real quick. Okay. Just okay. Okay. Make sure that's all nice and tight in there. Really, I put some more blue lock, thread lock. Probably too much, but it won't hurt. Oh. Remember, 10 mil. The rest was, the other one was 11. Ay. Nice and tight. I want to get this on nice and tight. Why'd I need, oh yeah, 11 mil was for this guy here. 11 mil here, 10 mil here. Okay, hopefully that was, you know, obviously make sure it shifts. Mine does, so there we go. Hopefully you'll find this helpful.